Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 23rd September 2020. Your chapter 4th recapitulation was going on. The name of the chapter is Factors and Multiples. In the previous class, I have recapitalized till question number 4. Today I want to continue from question number 5. So look here. Here the question has been given. Find the greatest number that divides 56 and 84 exactly. Okay. So look here. In the solution, numbers is equal to 56 and 84. Okay. Therefore, greatest number, the greatest number that divides completely. Okay. Completely. COMPLETELY. Okay. So look here. How can you find out the greatest number? It means you will find out that number with the help of the HCF. So here you will write prime factors of 56 is equal to then prime factors of 84 is equal to. Okay. In the rough column you will find out the prime factors. First 56, 2, 28, then 2, 14, then 2, 7, then 7 1 just 7. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Then after that you will find out the factors of 84 also. 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, then 2 21, then 3 7 ja, then 7 1 ja. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Therefore, here you will write the HCF, highest common factor. You can 2 into 2 into, here the 3 has been given. Yeah, 3 hai beta. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. So here you can see it. Common numbers are here also 2 and here 2 has been also given. So 2 into another 2 has been also given. Another 2 here also given. Then another number is 7. That is the common. So 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Okay. So it means your HCF, highest common factor, is 28. So you will write the answer greatest number that divides exactly is 28. Clear, students? Now students, you can see the question number 6 also. In question number 6 it has been given, find the greatest number that divides 28 and 49 without leaving a remainder. It means आपको greatest number find out करना है जो 28 और 49 को without any remainder divide कर दे. It means it will be same as like a question number 5th. It means you will find out the HCF of 28 and 49, then after that you can find out the answer. Clear, students? Now students, your chapter exercise 4 recapitulation has been completed. Now before starting exercise 5th, I want to tell to you about the some points. The next topic relates from the lowest common multiples. It means LCM. So what is LCM? You can see it here. The LCM of two numbers is the smallest number that can be divided by the two numbers without leaving a remainder. It means LCM क्या है? आपका वो लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स है जो दिए हुए दो नंबर से इजी वे में कंप्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी इट हियर. इन एग्जांपल नंबर 1 इट हैज बीन गिवन, फाइंड द एलसीएम एंड ऑफ 12 एंड 30. आपको 12 एंड 30 का एलसीएम निकालना है. सो फर्स्ट यू विल फाइंड आउट द prime factors of 12. So I have find out the prime factors of 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3. Then after that you will find out the prime factors of 30. It has been also find out here 2 into 3 into 5. So after that जो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होंगे आप उसे वन टाइम नोट करेंगे एंड जो कॉमन नहीं होंगे उसे आप ऐसे ही नोट कर लेंगे. एज लाइक हियर द कॉमन मल्टीपल्स आर 2, हमने ये पहले 2 लिखा, देन अनदर 3, हमने इसको वन टाइम लिखा, देन रिमेनिंग नंबर इज 2 ईयर एंड 5 ईयर. सो हमने इसको क्या किया बेटा, कंटिन्यू कर दिया. इट मींस कॉमन मल्टीपल्स को आपको यहाँ वन टाइम नोट करना है. HCF में क्या होता था, आप सिर्फ कॉमन मल्टीपल्स नोट करते थे, सॉरी कॉमन फैक्टर्स नोट करते थे. यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, दैट आर द फैक्टर्स। यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है बेटा, कॉमन फैक्टर्स को वन टाइम नोट करना है, देन आफ्टर दैट जो रिमेनिंग फैक्टर पढ़ेंगे उसको भी आपको लिखना है, ठीक है। HCF हम रिमेनिंग को नहीं लिखते थे। सो आफ्टर दैट यू कैन फाइंड आउट द LCM आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दीज नंबर्स। Okay, so here it has been multiplied, so 60 has been find out. So you can see 12 and 30 has been easily divided to 60. आप 12 और 30 से 60 को इजी वे में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो इट हैज बीन गिवन, चेक हियर, 60 को हमने 12 से डिवाइड, देन आफ्टर दैट यू फाइंड आउट 5, देन 30 से हमने 60 डिवाइड किया, देन 2. सो आंसर इज LCM ऑफ 12 and 30 is 60. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Now students, see question number 1 of exercise 5th. It has been given, find the multiples, common multiples and the LCM. Okay. So here the heading has been given, A part numbers, 3 and 4 has been given as a number. First 6 multiples you will find, then common multiples, then LCM. So first 6 multiples of 3 is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Then after that you will find out the first 6 multiple of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. So after that you will find out the common multiples here. So you can see it here, only 12 is the common multiples here. Okay, so your answer is 12. Remember students, maybe 12 यहाँ एक नंबर आपको कॉमन मिला है, आपको एक से ज्यादा भी मिल सकते हैं। इन दैट केस रिमेंबर, जो लोवेस्ट होगा देन लोवेस्ट इज योर LCM, वही लोवेस्ट नंबर जो आपका कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होगा दैट विल बी योर LCM. ओके, क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Now students, see the another question. In the another question it has been given, find the LCM by the prime factorization method. Okay, and the A part has been given here, 16 and 20. So here first you find out the prime factors of 16, then after that you can find out the prime factors of 20. So write the heading here, prime factors of 16 is equal to, then after that prime factors of 20 is equal to. Okay, so look in the rough column, how can you find out the prime factors? First number is 16. 16 will be divisible by 2. Firstly 2 8s are 16, then 8 will be divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are, then 2 1s are. So here you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is the prime factors of 16. Okay, now after that you will find out the prime factors of 20. First it will be divisible by 2. 2 10s are, then 2 5s are, then 5 1s are. So here you will write 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, so you can see it here. Therefore LCM is equal to, first you will see the common factors. So common factors 2 2, it means you will note it down it है one time, जो common होंगे आप उसे one time ही note करेंगे. Then after that 2 2, it means one time. Then these are the not common factors, so here you will write as like this, into 2 into 2, these two has been noted down here. Okay, then after that 5 into 5, so here you will multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, now 4 2s are 8, 8 into 2 into 5, then 8 2s are 16, 16 into 5, 16 5s are 80. Okay, so that is your answer. You will write the answer LCM is equal to 80. I think students now it's clear. If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Okay, now students, see the D part of same question, question number 3rd. This is the D part. Look the solution. It means here you will find out the prime factors. So prime factors of 12 is equal to, then prime factors of 15 is equal to. Okay, so look here, how can you find out it in the rough column. 12, it will be divisible by 2, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are, then 3 1s are. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 3, then after that next number is 15, 3 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are. So here you will write 3 into 5. So what are the LCM? Here you will write LCM is equal to, first you find out the common factors, that are 3, only 3 is the common. सो फर्स्ट यू कैन राइट द कॉमन नंबर. आप सबसे पहले क्या बेटा कॉमन नंबर लिख दीजिए. देन आफ्टर दैट अनदर नंबर आर्स 2 into 2. सो हियर यू राइट 2 into 2. 3 you have noted down. 3 आपने नोट कर लिया कॉमन था. देन आफ्टर दैट हियर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स इज 5 into 5. ओके. सो नाउ यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई. 3 2 जा 6. 6 into 2 into 5. 6 2 जा 12. 12 into 5. 12 5 जा 60. So your answer is, you will write the answer LCM is equal to 60. Here students. Now students see the G part. In G part the numbers has been given 30 and 45. So look the solution. Okay. Prime factors of 30 is equal to, then after that prime factors of 45 is equal to. Okay. So look here, how can we find out it? 30, first it will be divisible by 2, 15, then 3, 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are. So here you write 2 into 3 into 5. Then after that another number is 45. It will be divisible by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, then 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are. So here you write 3 into 3 into 5. Therefore LCM is equal to, you can see the common factors. 3 into 5 are the common, so you can write the common factor firstly. Then after that 2 and 3 is not common, so here you will write this. 3 5s are 15, 15 into 2 into 3, 15 2s are 30, 30 into 3, 33 is 90. It means your LCM is 90. You will write the answer LCM is equal to 90. Clear students? Now students see the question number 4. In question number 4 it has been given find the LCM by the division method. Students, in the previous question it has been asked about that LCM but with the method of the prime factorization method. Here the method is based on the division. So look here, how can you find out the LCM on the basis of the division method. In A part the numbers has been given 21 and 35. So you can solve it here in the fair column, fair side. Numbers are 21 and 35. So first you will find out the lowest number that will be divided any number or both number. So I have find out that number 3. 3 will be divided by 21 will be divided by 3 at the time of the 7 times. 3 7s are 21 and 35 will not be divisible. So 35 को आप as it is नोट करेंगे. आपको एक ऐसा नंबर लेना है जो या तो दोनों को डिवाइड कर दे लोएस्ट नंबर या फिर दोनों में किसी एक को. सो हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया 3 से 21 चला जाएगा 7 टाइम्स. देन 35 as it is will be noted down. Then after that then 7 and 35 में कोई एक डिजिट चला जाए किसी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से. So you can see it here, it will not be divisible by 3. So after that I find out that number is 5. Okay. 7 as it is noted down. जो नहीं डिवाइड होगा बेटा उसे as it is नोट करोगे आप. जो डिवाइड होगा उसको आप लिखोगे 5 7 जा 35. You know about that 7 7 से डिवाइड होता है तो 7 1 जा 7. So after that you will write LCM is equal to, you will multiply these numbers 3 into 5 into 7. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 7. Then 15 into 7 is equal to 15 7s are 105. So your answer is, you will write the answer LCM is equal to 105. I think students कुछ समझ में आया होगा. This is based on the division method while the previous question is related on the factorization method. Now students see the look the C part. In the C part the numbers has been given 24 and 36. Same method you will applicable, it means division method you will applicable here. So 24 and 36, first it will be divisible by 2, then 12, then 18, then 2 2 6 are 2 9 ja, then 2 3s are, then 9, 3 1s are 3 3s are, then 3 1 1. So here you will find out the LCM. 3 times 2 it means 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 times 3 into 3 into 3. You will multiply here. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2 into 3 into 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3 into 3. 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3, 23 into 3, 24 into 3, 24 3 is 72. So you will write the answer LCM is equal to 72. Clear, students? Now students, see the F part. In F part the numbers has been given 12, 15 and 40. So division method you will applicable here. So same method you will follow. 12, 15 and 40. First it will be divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Then 15 as it is. Then 20. बेटा 12 2 से डिवाइड होगा और 40 होगा, बाकी 15 नहीं होगा. सो 15 को आप एज इट इज नोट कर लोगे. ओके. देन 2 3 जा 6, 15. देन 20 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 10 जा 20. देन अगेन 2 3 एज इट इज बिकॉज 3 नॉट डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो 15 एज इट इज. 2 5 जा 10. देन 3 1 जा 3, 3 5 जा 15 and 5 as it is. Now it will be divisible by 5. 5 1 as it is. 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5. Therefore LCM is equal to, you will write the LCM, you will multiply 3 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2, then into 3 into 5. 2 2 जा 4, 4 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then 4 2 जा 8, 8 into 3 into 5. 8 3 जा 24, 24 into 5. 24 5 जा दैट इज 120. आपको बेटा नहीं आ रही टेबल, सो आप मल्टीप्लाई करके भी देख सकते हो. ओके. सो यू विल राइट द आंसर LCM इज इक्वल टू 120. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? जैसे हमने 2 नंबर्स को निकाला था उसी तरह सेम एज इट इज, सेम मेथड यू विल फॉलो द व्हेन इट हैज बीन गिवन द 3 नंबर्स. अगर आपको 3 नंबर दिए LCM फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, सो सेम मेथड यू विल एप्लीकेबल हियर आल्सो. ओके. Now students, see the H part. In H part the numbers has been given 63, 27 and 54. So look here, numbers are 63, 27 and 54. So you can see it will be divisible by 2. Firstly 63 as it is, 27 as it is. आप 2 से 54 में डिवाइड करेंगे, देन 27 यू विल फाइंड आउट. देन 3 से डिवाइड होगा बेटा. 3 2 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3, 3 9 जा 27, देन 9. 3 7 जा 21, 3 3 जा 9, 3 3 जा 9. Then 3 7 as it is. 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3 and 7 will be divisible by 7. 7 1 जा 1 1. Okay. So therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay, these numbers. Then 2 3 जा 6, 6 into 3 into 3 into 7. 6 6 3 जा 18, 18 into 3 into 7, 18 3 जा 54, 54 into 7. So now you can multiply 54 and 7. In the rough column you can see the multiplication. 54 into 7, 7 4 जा 28, 8 here 2 will be carry forward. 7 5 जा 35, 35 and 2 37. It means 378. So you will write the right here is equal to 378. So you will write the answer LCM is equal to 378. Clear? So students, आज की क्लास में इतना ही. If you have any doubt then you can ask the query with me. Okay.